Hello everyone. In our previous video we have designed the menu sections, menus and special section here. This special section and the menu section. And in this video let's design event section. Oh sorry, this is not the one. Okay, this is the one. Event section. For this we have to install an widget. Go to Unlimited Elements, widgets, and carousel widgets, and install this cart carousel widget. And here, and you go to pages, home page, edit with Elementor. Okay, and duplicate this section, delete this tab widget, change the text to events, organize your events in our restaurant, and then carousel widget, this is the one. Okay, and then in the layout, items, you have to change it. Item number 1, say birthday event, some descriptive text, and yeah, let's remove the button. Okay, like this. You don't need the button text. Okay, and here you also remove the arrows like this. Okay, and about the event, change the image to something like this. About the event, rupee symbol, copy it, break. Okay, and here or history, okay, something like this. And change to party event, and copy this, same here, change amount, and for duplicate this, and other event, okay, something like this. Okay, update it, and here you can add more items like this. Yep. Here is little different from they are doing with what we are doing, but it's almost same. For color, title, change color to color. Let's copy the color here from here like this. Color and typography, color size to 40 or something like this. Yep. And text, this color, like this. Update it, and if you want to change the color of this item, then you have to use custom CSS. But the thing is, we do not have the option for custom CSS with the Elementor free. If you want to use custom CSS with Elementor free, then you have to install another extra plugin. If you want, then let me know. You can leave a comment below if you want to change the color of this pricing text. And that's it for today. Today we have designed it. Okay, let me one thing. I have forget. We have to add an image background. Attachment fix position bottom center. Okay, something like this. And background overlay black, and opacity, yep, same image with this one. Here also we can top center and center something like this. Overlay opacity, F. Here it is, our new section. That's it for today, and I hope this video helps you in designing your restaurant website, your website with WordPress and free Elementor. Using the free tool, sometimes it kind of restrictions, because tools or features are little limited with the free version. We cannot compare with the premium paid versions, paid premium plugins. But anyway, we can achieve anything. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and leave a comment below.